Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to tell you about Coda versus Notion versus Airtable. Coda, Notion, and Airtable are three of the most powerful productivity and collaboration tools available today. Each of them serves different purposes but also shares similarities in helping users manage data, documents, and workflows efficiently. Choosing the right tool depends on your specific needs, whether it's document collaboration, database management, or project planning. Coda is a hybrid document and database tool that combines text, tables, and interactive elements to create powerful documents that function like apps. It is ideal for teams that need structured documents with database-like functionality, making it a great alternative to both traditional spreadsheets and project management tools. Notion is a highly flexible, all-in-one workspace that allows users to take notes, create wikis, manage tasks, and build structured databases. It is perfect for individuals and teams looking for a balance between note-taking, documentation, and task management. Airtable, on the other hand, is a spreadsheet database hybrid that provides a highly customizable way to store and manage data. It is best for teams that need powerful data organization and automation capabilities, especially for project tracking, CRM, and inventory management. I have created a comparison table for you. If you need interactive documents that function like an app with advanced databases and automation features, Coda is the best choice. It's great for teams that want to streamline workflows, manage structured data, and create dynamic documents. If you are looking for a flexible and visually appealing tool for note-taking, project management, and documentation, Notion is a great option. It is ideal for individuals and teams who need a balance between databases, task tracking, and collaborative content creation. However, if you need a powerful database tool with spreadsheet-style data organization and automation, Airtable is the best pick. It's perfect for businesses that rely on complex data structures, integrations, and workflow automation. In short, Coda for teams that want interactive, database-driven documents with automation. Notion for users looking for an all-in-one workspace for notes, wikis, and project management. Airtable for businesses needing advanced database functionality with automation. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.